Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs from the topic the Vedic era and the Mahajanpadas. So let us begin. Our first question is: the expansion of Magadha on Malwa Plateau was under the reign of option A Bimbisar, option B Ajatsatru, option C Shishunag, and option D Veerabhadra. The correct answer is option C Shishunag. Moving on to the next question. Who was the founder of the Nanda dynasty in Magad? Option A Mahapadmananda Nanda, option B Dhanananda, option C Nandivardhan, and option D Mahanandin. The correct answer is option A Mahapadmananda. Moving on to the next question. Which emperor of Magadha is known as the Aparo Parshuram? Option A Bindusar, option B Ajatsatru, option C Kalashoka, and option D Mahapadmananda. The correct answer is option D Mahapadmananda. Moving on to the next question. The last emperor of the Nanda dynasty was option A Mahapadmananda, option B Dhanananda, option C Kalashoka, and option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B Dhanananda. Moving on to the next question. Alexander invaded India in which year? Option A 1326 BC, option B 1326 BC, option C 232 BC, and option D 323 AD. The correct answer is option A 326 BC. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following did not come to India with Alexander? Option A Nearchy, option B Diamcus, option C Onesitrus, and option D Assistobulus. The correct answer is option B Diamcus. Moving on to the next question. Alexander the Great died in 1323 BC in option A Pharos, option B Babylon, option C Macedonia, and option D Takshashila. The correct answer is option B Babylon. Moving on to the next question. Name the brave Indian king whom Alexander defeated on the banks of river Jhelum. Option A Ambhi, option B Porus, option C Chandragupta, and option D Mahapadmananda. The correct answer is option B Porus. Moving on to the next question. The earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered from option A Takshashila, option B Atranji Kheda, option C Koshambi, and option D Hastinapur. The correct answer is option B Atranji Kheda. Moving on to the next question. In the ancient period, chief livelihood of the Aryans was option A agriculture, option B hunting, option C art and craft, and option D business. The correct answer is option B hunting. Moving on to the next question. Nivi, Paridhan, and Adi Vasha were the option A different types of garments of the Aryans, option B government officials of the Aryan kings, Option C, tribal people of the ancient Indians. And option D, musical instruments of ancient India. The correct answer is option A, different types of garments of the Aryans. The next question is, who was the first European to designate Aryans as a race? Option A, William Jones. Option B, H.H. Wilson. Option C, Max Muller. And option D, General Cunningham. The correct answer is option C, Max Muller. Moving on to the next question. Give the name of the tribe which is not related to the Panchajana of the Rig Veda Aryans. Option A, Yadu. Option B, Puru. Option C, Turvasa. And option D, Kikat. The correct answer is option D, Kikat. Moving on to the next question. The term Aryan denotes option A, an ethnic group. Option B, a nomadic people. Option C, a speech group. And option D, a superior race. The correct answer is option D, a superior race. Moving on to the next question. The meaning of the term Arya in classical Sanskrit is option A, believer of the god. Option B, a hereditary caste. Option C, a believer in particular religion. And option D, a nobleman. The correct answer is option D, a nobleman. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following inscriptions tells us about the Aryans movement of Aryan from Iran to India? Option A, Mansehra. Option B, Shahbaz Grahi. Option C, Bogas Koi. And option D, Junagadh. The correct answer is option C, Bogas Koi. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following wrote on the original homeland of the Aryans? Option A, Shankaracharya. Option B, Annie Besant. Option C, Vivekanand. And option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following Vedas is not a part of Vedatrayee? Option A, Rig Veda. Option B, Yajur Veda. Option C, Shama Veda. And option D, Atharva Veda. The correct answer is option D, Atharva Veda. Moving on to the next question. Trayi is a name for option A, 3 Vedas. Option B, Dharma, Sangha and Buddha. Option C, 3 gods in the Hindu pantheon. And option D, 3 seasons. The correct answer is option A, 3 Vedas. Moving on to the next question. In the Vedic period, the people called Panis were option A, those who controlled trades. Option B, cattle breeders. Option C, cow heads. And option D, plowmen. The correct answer is option A, those who controlled trade. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following rivers was known as Purushni in the Vedic period? Option A, Ravi. Option B, Satluj. Option C, Bees. And option D, Chenab. The correct answer is option A, Ravi. Moving on to the next question. The Vedic river Kubha was located in option A, Afghanistan. Option B, Chinese Turkestan. Option C, Kashmir. and option D, Punjab. The correct answer is option A, Afghanistan. Moving on to the next question. The river most mentioned in the early Vedic literature is option A, Sindhu, option B, Sutudri, option C, Saraswati, and option D, Ganga. The correct answer is option A, Sindhu. Moving on to the next question. Vedic river Akshini is identified with which one of the following rivers? Option A, Beas, option B, Ravi, option C, Chenab, and option D, Jhelum. The correct answer is option C, Chenab. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following rivers was earlier known as Vitasta? Option A, Tista, option B, Jhelum, option C, Tungabhadra, and option D, Bharatpuzha. The correct answer is option B, Jhelum. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following was a Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of the Vedas? Option A, Lopamudra, option B, Gargi, option C, Leelavati, and option D, Savitri. The correct answer is option A, Lopamudra. Moving on to the next question. Which hymn of the Rig Veda is considered to contain the rudiments of Indian drama? Option A, Vivaha Sukta, option B, Apri Sukta, option C, Samaveda Sukta, and option D, Purusha Sukta. The correct answer is option C, Samaveda Sukta. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following Brahmana text belongs to the Rig Veda? Option A, Aittreya Brahmana, option B, Gopatha Brahmana, option C, Shatapatha Brahmana, and option D, Taittiriya Brahmana. The correct answer is option A, Aittreya Brahmana. Moving on to the next question. Rig Veda consists of ritual dash hymns. Option A, 1028, option B, 1017, option C, 1128, and option D, 1020. The correct answer is option A, 1028. Moving on to the next question. Rig Veda was originally composed in which one of the following languages? Option A, Pali, option B, Sanskrit, option C, Prakrit, and option D, Brahmi. The correct answer is option B, Sanskrit. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is the oldest Veda? Option A, Yajur Veda, option B, Rig Veda, option C, Shama Veda, and option D, Atharva Veda. The correct answer is option B, Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. Gopatha Brahmana is associated with option A, Yajur Veda, option B, Shama Veda, option C, Atharva Veda, and option D, Rig Veda. The correct answer is option C, Atharva Veda. Moving on to the next question. The ninth mandala of the Rig Veda Samhita is devoted wholly to option A, Indra and his elephant, option B, Urvashi and the heaven, option C, gods related to plants and drugs, and option D, Soma and the god who is named after the drink. The correct answer is option B, Soma and the god who is named after it. The next question is, in the Rig Veda period, people believed mainly in option A, idol worship, option B, one god belief, option C, goddess worship, and option D, sacrifice and rituals. The correct answer is option D, sacrifice and rituals. Moving on to the next question. Gayatri Mantra is found in which book? Option A, Upanishad, option B, Bhagavad Gita, option C, Rig Veda, and option D, Yajurveda. The correct answer is option C, Rig Veda. The next question is, who composed the Gayatri Mantra? Option A, Vasishtha, option B, Vishwamitra, option C, Indra, and option D, Parikshit. The correct answer is option B, Vishwamitra. Moving on to the next question. The mantra famous with the name of Gayatri Mantra found in which one of the following scriptures? Option A, Bhagavad Gita, option B, Atharva Veda, option C, Rig Veda, and option D, Manusmriti. The correct answer is option C, Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. The word Gotra occurs for the first time in option A, Atharva Veda, option B, Rig Veda, option C, Sama Veda, and option D, Yajurveda. The correct answer is option B, Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. The largest number of the mantras in Rig Veda belongs to option A, Agni, option B, Varuna, option C, Vishnu, and option D, Yama. The correct answer is option A, Agni. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following rivers mentioned in the Rig Veda gives the due relations of Aryans with the Afghanistan? Option A, Askini, option B, Parushni, option C, Kuba, and option D, Vipasha and Sutudri. The correct answer is option C, Kuba and Kramu. Moving on to the next question. In the early Rig Vedic period, what was considered to be the most valuable property? Option A, land, option B, cow, option C, woman, and option D, water. The correct answer is option B, cow. Moving on to the next question. The name Aghanya mentioned in many passages of the Rig Veda refers to what? Option A, priests, option B, women, option C, cows, and option D, Brahmins. The correct answer is option C, cows. Moving on to the next question. In the Vedic rituals, Hota is associated with the option A, Rig Veda, option B, Yajurveda, option C, Sama Veda, and option D, Atharva Veda. The correct answer is option A, Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. Fundamental or basic script of the Rig Veda was option A, Devanagari, option B, Kharoshthi, option C, Pali, and option D, Brahmi. The correct answer is option D, Brahmi. Moving on to the next question. Rites and rituals related to yajnas are mentioned in option A, Rig Veda, option B, Shama Veda, option C, Brahmin Granth, and option D, Yajur Veda. The correct answer is option A, Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. Nachiketa, the legend finds mention in the option A, Atharva Veda, option B, Satapratha Brahmin, option C, Kathopanishad, and option D, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. The correct answer is option C, Kathopanishad. Moving on to the next question. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in the option A, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, option B, Chandogaya Upanishad, option C, Kathopanishad, and option D, Kenopanishad. The correct answer is option C, Kathopanishad. Moving on to the next question. Satyamev Jayate, which is engraved on the Indian emblem, has been taken from the option A, Rig Veda, option B, Bhagavad Gita, option C, Mundakopanishad, and option D, Matsya Purana. The correct answer is option C, Mundakopanishad. Moving on to the next question. The legend of Satyakam Jabal, which challenges the stigma of being an unmarried mother, is mentioned in option A, Jabal Upanishad, option B, Prashnopanishad, option C, Chandogya Upanishad, and option D, Kathopanishad. The correct answer is option C, Chandogya Upanishad. The next question is, Panini, the first grammarian of Sanskrit language in India, lived during the option A, 2nd century BC, option B, 6th to 5th century BC, option C, 2nd century AD, and option D, 5th to 6th century AD. The correct answer is option B, 6th to 5th century BC. Moving on to the next question. Ashtadhyayi was written by option A, Ved Vyasa, option B, Panini, option C, Shukadeva, and option D, Valmiki. The correct answer is option B, Panini. Moving on to the next question. The priest associated with King Videka Mahadeva referred in the Satapatha Brahmin was option A, Rishi Bharadwaj, option B, Rishi Vasishtha, option C, Rishi Vishwamitra, and option D, Rishi Gautam Rahugana. The correct answer is option D, Rishi Gautama Rahugana. The next question is, the tribal assembly normally involved in the election of the king was option A, Sabha, option B, Samiti, option C, Gana, and option D, Vidhata. The correct answer is option B, Samiti. Moving on to the next question. The famous Battle of 10 Kings, as described in the Rig Veda, was fought on the banks of option A, Parushni, option B, Saraswati, option C, Vipasa, and option D, Askini. The correct answer is option A, Parushni. Moving on to the next question. The system of governance prevalent in the Vedic era was option A, autocratic, option B, democratic, option C, republic, and option D, descendant monarchy. The correct answer is option D, descended monarchy. Moving on to the next question. The Battle of Mahabharata is believed to have been fought at Kurukshetra for option A 14 days, option B 16 days, option C 18 days, and option D 20 days. The correct answer is option C 18 days. Moving on to the next question. Sabha of the Vedic era is option A an institution of mercantile people of village, option B a royal court, option C a council of ministers, and option D National Assembly of all the people of the state. The correct answer is option C a council of ministers. The next question is, what were the two assemblies during the early Vedic period? Option A Samiti, option B Sabha, option C Samiti and Sangam, and option D both A and B. The correct answer is option D both A and B. Moving on to the next question. The Rig Vedic tribal assembly associated with judicial function was option A Sabha, option B Samiti, option C Vidhata, and option D all of these. The correct answer is option A Sabha. Moving on to the next question. The word Gotra occurs for the first time in option A Rig Veda, option B Samaveda, option C Yajurveda, and option D Atharva Veda. The correct answer is option A Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. The staple food of the Vedic Aryan was option A barley and rice, option B milk and its product, option C rice and pulses, and option D vegetables and fruits. The correct answer is option A barley and rice. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following wrote the Sanskrit grammar? Option A Kalidas, option B Charak, option C Panini, and option D Aryabhatta. The correct answer is option C Panini. Moving on to the next question. The Manusmriti mainly deals with option A social order, option B laws, option C economics, and option D statecraft. The correct answer is option B laws. Moving on to the next question. The Purusha Sukta, which refers to the origin of caste, is found in the option A Atharva Veda, option B Rig Veda, option C Shama Veda, and option D Yajur Veda. The correct answer is option B Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. The teacher who taught Ved Vedanga for livelihood was called option A Acharya, option B Advaryu, option C Upadhyay, and option D Purohita. The correct answer is option C Upadhyay. Moving on to the next question. During the Rig Vedic period, word Nishaka was used for jewelry, but in later period it was used for the meaning of option A arms, option B farming equipment, option C script, and option D coin. The correct answer is option D coin. Moving on to the next question. The name of the scripture in which Purusha Megha was mentioned is option A Krishna Yajurveda, option B Shukla Yajurveda, option C Shatpat Brahmin, and option D Panchvish Brahmin. The correct answer is option C Satpat Brahmin. Moving on to the next question. During the Rig Vedic period, Nishaka was an ornament of option A ear, option B neck, option C arm, and option D wrist. So the correct answer is option B neck. Moving on to the next question. Nishaka in ancient India was known as option A gold ornament, option B cows, option C copper coins, and option D silver coins. The correct answer is option A gold ornament. The next question is, in which Vedic text the term Varna is found referred to for the first time? Option A Rig Veda, option B Atharva Veda, option C Sama Veda, and option D Yajurveda. The correct answer is option A Rig Veda. Moving on to the next question. In which phase the concept of untouchability was put clearly? Option A Rig Vedic phase, option B later Vedic phase, option C later Gupta phase, and option D Dharma Shastra phase. The correct answer is option B later Vedic phase. Moving on to the next question. In the 10th mandala of the Rig Veda, which one of the following hymns reflects upon the marriage ceremonies? Option A Surya Sukta, option B Purusha Sukta, option C Dana Sutra, and option D Uma Sutra. So the correct answer is option B Purusha Sukta. Moving on to the next question. The word Yava mentioned in the Rig Veda is used for which agricultural product? Option A barley, option B gram, option C rice, and option D wheat. So the correct answer is option A barley. Moving on to the next question. The Rig Vedic Pani belong to which class of citizens? Option A priests, option B ironsmiths, option C goldsmiths, and option D traders. The correct answer is option D traders. Moving on to the next question. Which metal was used by people of the Rig Vedic age? Option A silver, option B gold, option C iron, and option D copper. So the correct answer is option D copper. Moving on to the next question. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of option A bhakti, option B image worship and yagnas, option C worship of nature and yagnas, and option D worship of nature and bhakti. The correct answer is option C worship of nature and yagnas. The next question is, the god who is the most prominent in the Rig Veda is? Option A Indra, option B Agni, option C Pashupati, and option D Vishnu. The correct answer is option A Indra. Moving on to the next question. The Rig Vedic god Varuna was? Option A, harbinger of peace. Option B, destroyer of foes. Option C, guardian of the cosmic order. And option D, god of prosperity. The correct answer is option C, guardian of the cosmic order. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following Vedic god or goddess depicts an association with the sun? Option A, Ashwin. Option B, Pusan. Option C, Indra. And option D, Aranyai. The correct answer is option A, Ashwin. Moving on to the next question. Which mandala of the Rig Veda is completely dedicated to Soma? Option A, 7th mandala. Option B, 8th mandala. Option C, 9th mandala. And option D, 10th mandala. The correct answer is option C, 9th mandala. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following Vedic deities was believed to be their priest? Option A, Agni. Option B, Brihaspati. Option C, Dyaus. And option D, Indra. The correct answer is option B, Brihaspati. Moving on to the next question. Rig Vedic religion was option A, polytheistic. Option B, monotheistic. Option C, monastic. And option D, libertarian. The correct answer is option A, polytheistic. The next question is, who among the following is regarded as the war god in the Rig Veda? Option A, Agni. Option B, Indra. Option C, Surya. And option D, Varuna. The correct answer is option B, Indra. Moving on to the next question. The largest number of Rig Vedic hymns are devoted to option A, Agni. Option B, Indra. Option C, Rudra. And option D, Vishnu. The correct answer is option B, Indra. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following was the most popular god of the early Vedic Aryans? Option A, Varuna. Option B, Vishnu. Option C, Rudra. And option D, Indra. So the correct answer is option D, Indra. Moving on to the next question. An inscription of 14th century BC which describes the Vedic gods has been found in option A, Ekbatana. Option C, Bogaskoi. Option C, Babylon. And option D, Baisotun. The correct answer is option B, Bozak Koi. Moving on to the next question. Originally, the Mahabharata was known as option A, Brihakatha. Option B, Brahmins. Option C, Brihat Samhita. And option D, Jaya Samhita. The correct answer is option D, Jaya Samhita. Moving on to the next question. The period of the post-Rig Vedic period is option A, 15,000 BC to 1000 BC. Option B, 1000 BC to 600 BC. Option C, 600 BC to 6000 AD. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, 1000 BC to 600 BC. The next question is, which among the following is considered as the center of Aryan civilization during the post-Vedic period? Option A, Anga and Magadha. Option B, Koshal and Vijay. Option C, Kuru and Panchal. And option D, Matsya and Sursena. The correct answer is option B, Koshal and Vijay. Moving on to the next question. Gotra system came into existence since. Option A, Rig Vedic period. Option B, Post Vedic period. Option C, Mahakavya period. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, Post Vedic period. Moving on to the next question. The Post Vedic period tax was collected by king from people was called. Option A, Bali. Option B, Varman. Option C, Vidat. And option D, tax. The correct answer is option A, Bali. Moving on to the next question. Which words has been used in business system during post-Vedic period? Option A, great. Option B, kusid. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, kusid. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following handicrafts was not in use by Aryans? Option A, pottery. Option B, jewelry. Option C, carpenter. And option D, blacksmith. The correct answer is option D, blacksmith. Moving on to the next question. Judgment was advertised by. Option A, Chuswak. Option B, Gautam. Option C, Kapil. And option D, Jamini. The correct answer is option B, Gautam. Moving on to the next question. Combination of three Vedas has been called. Option A, Rig Veda and Yajur Veda. Option B, Rig Veda, Sam Veda and Atharva Veda. Option C, Rig Veda, Sam Veda and Yajur Veda. And option D, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Atharva Veda. The correct answer is option C, Rig Veda, Sam Veda and Yajur Veda. The next question is, where was the seat of the first republic of the world in the 6th century BC? Option A, Vaishali. Option B, Athens. Option C, Sparta. And option D, Patliputra. The correct answer is option A, Vaishali. Moving on to the next question. By whom the first republic of the world was established in Vaishali? Option A, Maurya. Option B, Nanda. Option C, Gupta. And option D, Lichvi. The correct answer is option D, Lichvi. Moving on to the next question. By which ruler Patliputra was chosen for the first time as a capital? Option A, Ajatsatru. Option B, Kalashoka. Option C, Udyayin. And option D, Kanishka. The correct answer is option C, Udyayin. Moving on to the next question. Which kingdom covered the modern Patna and Gaya districts of Bihar? Option A, Anga. Option B, Kosala. Option C, Magadha. And option D, Avanti. The correct answer is option C, Magadha. Moving on to the next question. In the context of the ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? Option A, Kula. Option B, Vansha. Option C, Kosa. And option D, Gotra. The correct answer is option C, Kosha. Moving on to the next question. King Ashwapati of the Upanishadic period was the ruler of option A, Kashi. Option B, Kekaya. Option C, Panchala. And option D, Videha. The correct answer is option B, Kekaya. Moving on to the next question. Chand Pradyot was the ruler of which ancient republic? Option A, Kasi. Option B, Anga. Option C, Avanti. And option D, Vajji. The correct answer is option C, Avanti. Moving on to the next question. Mahajanapada situated on the banks of river Godavari was option A, Avanti. Option B, Vatsa. Option C, Asmaka. And option D, Kamboja. The correct answer is option C, Asmaka. Moving on to the next question. The list of 16 Mahajanpadas is available in option A, Mahabharat. Option B, Angutar Nikaya. Option C, Chandogaya Upanishad. And option D, Samyukta Nikaya. The correct answer is option B, Angutar Nikaya. Moving on to the next question. During the period of 16th Mahajanpadas, Mathura was the capital of option A, Vajji. Option B, Vatsa. Option C, Kasi. And option D, Sursena. The correct answer is option D, Sursena. Moving on to the next question. The capital of North Panchal, according to the Mahabharata, was located at option A, Hastinapur. Option B, Indraprastha. Option C, Achichatra. And option D, Mathura. The correct answer is option C, Ahichatra. The next question is, in the 6th century BC, Suktimati was the capital of option A, Panchal. Option B, Kuru. Option C, Chedi. And option D, Avanti. The correct answer is option C, Chedi. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option A, Anga and Champa. Option B, Kosala and Ahichatra. Option C, Vatsa and Koshambi. Option D, Matsya and Viratnagar. The correct answer is option B, Kosala and Ahichatra. The next question is, which was the first capital of Magadha? Option A, Patliputra. Option B, Vaishali. Option C, Girivarja. And option D, Champa. The correct answer is option C, Girivarja or Rajgriha. The next question is, who founded Patliputra? Option A, Udayin. Option B, Ashoka. Option C, Bimbisar. And option D, Mahapadmananda. The correct answer is option A, Udayin. Moving on to the next question. In ancient India, the earliest capital of Magadha kingdom was at option A, Patliputra. Option B, Rajgir. Option B, Vaishali. And option D, Varanasi. The correct answer is option B, Rajgir. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following rulers of Magadha was the contemporary of Alexander the Great? Option A, Mahapadmananda. Option B, Dhanananda. Option C, Sukal. And option D, Chandragupta Maurya. The correct answer is option B, Dhanananda. Moving on to the next question. The first ruler of Magadha from Haryanka dynasty was option A, Ashoka. Option B, Prasenjit. Option C, Bimbisar. And option D, Ajatsatru. The correct answer is option C, Bimbisar. Moving on to the next question. What was the name of the dynasty of Ajatsatru? Option A, Maurya. Option B, Haryanka. Option C, Nanda. And option D, Gupta. The correct answer is option B, Haryanka. Moving on to the next question. Which early ruler of Magad murdered his father to ascend the throne and in turn was murdered by his own son? Option A, Bimbisar. Option B, Ajatsatru. Option C, Udayin. And option D, Nagadaksha. The correct answer is option B, Ajatsatru. Moving on to the next question. Which Magadha ruler was known as Senia? Option A, Bimbisar. Option B, Ajatsatru. Option C, Mahapadmananda. And option D, Chandragupta Maurya. The correct answer is option A, Bimbisar. Moving on to the next question. Jivaka, the famous physician of the time of Mahatma Buddha, was associated with which court? Option A, Bimbisar. Option B, Chanda Pradyota. Option C, Prasenjit. And option D, Udayana. The correct answer is option A, Bimbisar.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.